Hello guys, good morning and happy Thursday to everyone. And I hope you are all doing fine, safe and healthy. And today, time check, today it's 6 o'clock in the morning. And I want to share with you how my day start on weekdays. So I need to prepare my husband's breakfast and lunch. So first I need to get some fruit, which is I'm giving him for today a pear. And after that, I need also to prepare some rice. So I'm gonna cook some rice, an Indian style, which you just have to boil with water and then with salt and cumin seeds, and then drain it after. And now I have here a cinnamon bread. This one my husband will have. He will have this for breakfast along with a cup of tea in the office. So I'm gonna just wrap this one together with the other, along with the lunch box. Next is I have to cut into small cubes the pear, so it's just easy for him to eat. And pour it in a box. And now I have here, this is chickpeas masala, which I have cooked last night. This is an Indian dish. So this one my husband will have along with the plain rice. And I'm gonna also cut some onion to put this on the toppings because my husband loves to eat sometimes raw onions. All set. I'm just waiting for the rice to get cooked. So now, lunch is ready. That's all for today, guys, and thank you for watching, and happy weekend, everyone. Please stay safe.